Hello guys, welcome back to our daily market analysis. Let's get started. So it's been 2 days and I think on 28th, 27th we were talking about this that 25,500 Nifty did break this 25,500 and the next particular support is at 24,600. But the series of events took place in a way that it did broke the war broke out and 24,600 also got tested and now Nifty did break it and now it's sustaining below this 24,600, which is again very important. But if we look at Nifty futures, because there's some news came out because we are recording at 9 p.m. So that US will be charging this 15% tariff from this week, I guess. But if we look again from the 12 months time frame data, actually 6 months would look. So 24,600 actually it's not holding till there, but I think I'll draw this by 24,400 or something. So uh, I guess Nifty future is taking support at 24,400. Yeah, it looks like it's taking support at 24,400. Let's actually see if the same analysis will be true for Nifty spot as well, because there's some support at 24,300 that I can see from here in the chart, and looks like maybe it can take support somewhere on this 24,600. No more support. 6 months time frame looks like 24,300 is gonna be the ultimate. If it breaks 24,300 whatsoever that we are telling, the next possible is at 24,000, 24,100 something, 24,000 then will act as some sort of major support. If it breaks 24,300, the next big support is at 24,000, around at 24,000. Yeah, so let's quickly write that down. Nifty broke 24,600 support. Nifty broke its support. Next maybe it's gonna take support at 24,000. For Bank Nifty, if we are trying to look at it, the Bank Nifty again made some sort of oddly looking hammer on a 12 months time frame. If we are actually trying to understand this, 57,800 6 months. It looks like 24 57,600 oddly it's going to that's is the next support for Bank Nifty. 57,600 for Bank Nifty. Let's try to understand what option chain is telling. So option chain for 10th of March expiry, some early support of at 24,400, 24,300 levels. So it's going to sustain Nifty, showing put writing at 24,400. Right, 24,400, 24,300. So on the resistance, 24,500 is acting as a resistance. 24,500. PCR is at 0.8, so that's actually bullish. Let's try to understand options data. So on 4th of March, sold call options, sold put options, but sold more put options, so that's positive. Sold 54,000 call options, sold 38,000 put options, so that's actually negative. Overall, FIIs are bearish. Pro is also bearish. Client is bullish. Yeah. So Pro got 75,000 call options, Pro 68,000 call options. But again, net if you look at it, FI and Pro remains negative and client is positive. Client is bullish. But today, if you look at the data, so FI is actually bullish on market. FI is marginally bullish on market. And what about the Pro? Pro is also bullish. FI and Pro are bullish. FI and Pro are bullish. Client is bearish. Oh, FI and client is bullish. The overall remains same. That is what exactly. Let's try to understand the futures data. So FI increasing futures position. FI increased future sell position. Today they sold how much stuff? So they sold like 3,000 crores of futures today. Sold 3K worth of futures. Let's have a look at the cash data. Cash, they sold 8,000 crores in stock today. So that's, everything is massive. The overall data looks much bearish, right? 24,300. If it breaks 24,300, next support is at 24,000 again. Maybe so. US reacting positively. DAX is up by 1.8%. There's a news around overall markets that the tariff is going to reduce, and it's going to reduce 15% flat on all the markets. Shanghai is down by 1%. Dollar index slightly weakening. Gold up by 1%. Silver up by 1%. But yesterday they saw, both of them saw major drop. USD INR, actually we are all becoming poorer day by day. It's at all-time high 92.12. That's the exchange rate of USD INR. TLT, again both of them positive. US bonds are rising, US yields are rising, and dollar is at 73. That's also a lot, it has increased a lot. Bitcoin is up by like 7%. So that's some interesting stuff happening when the world is moving away from the riskier assets. BTC is appreciating. So overall, still it looks bearish, nothing positive as such, because all this energy demand till this time the war will last, it's going to hurt the overall economy. Maybe it will lead to a rise in inflation, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much. And if Nifty 24,300 breaks, which it doesn't look like it's gonna break, and the next support is at 24,000. Right? Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.